If you've been eagerly waiting for a stunning Nokia smartphone, that's not only affordable but also packed with amazing features, then today's video is just for you. We're here to introduce an incredible smartphone that's going to blow your mind. This Nokia smartphone comes with a jaw-dropping 150 megapixel DSLR level camera and a massive 8000 mAh powerhouse battery. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Saga Xtreme 5G. If you're excited to get your hands on this phone, make sure to watch this video till the very end, because we're going to reveal all the details about its features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia Saga Xtreme 5G. This beast of a smartphone boasts a 6.88-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a stunning 2K resolution. But that's not all. It also comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Gorilla Glass 7 protection for ultimate durability. Trust me, this display is going to be a treat for your eyes. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia Saga Xtreme 5G truly shines. It features a triple camera setup, with a 150 megapixel primary sensor, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. And for all the selfie lovers out there, it packs a 50 megapixel front-facing camera. Processor. Under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, one of the most powerful processors out there. And when it comes to the operating system, you'll be getting the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Smooth, fast, and future-proof. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Saga Xtreme 5G comes with a massive 8000 mAh battery that supports 120-watt fast charging and a Type-C charging socket. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, this phone will keep up with your busy lifestyle without breaking a sweat. Price and launch date. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the price and launch date. While there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest that this phone could be priced around $600. And guess what? It's expected to hit the market by the end of this year. So, mark your calendars and start saving up, because this is one smartphone you won't want to miss.